Hello, leaders, and welcome to a brand new week of Run to Your Leadership Challenges. Hey, today, let's talk about problem solving. Let's face it, as leaders, we rarely get to solve easy problems. I mean, by the time the problem gets to us, many other people have already tried unsuccessfully to solve it, and that's why they've turned to us for help. The first thing that I like to do with problems is to start by changing the way you think about them. Instead of calling your problems, start calling them challenges. Now, this is a very small change, but it can flip your mindset on the way that you think about your difficult situations. Think about it just for a second. A problem is defined as a source of perplexity, distress, or irritation and aggravation. On the other hand, a challenge is defined as something that arouses or stimulates, especially when presented with difficulties, and it's an invite into competition. Now, I don't know about you, but I like the sound of the challenge much better than that definition of the problem. So as soon as you're ever presented with a problem, simply say to yourself, it's not a problem, it's a challenge. Flip your mindset. Start thinking of problems as challenges. And you could do this with your entire team. Just come up with this slogan that I've come up with that just says, it's not a problem, it's a challenge. And what do we do for challenges? We run to them. In case you haven't noticed, that's how I came up with the title for this podcast, Run to Your Challenges. Okay, now that you have a challenge, you can begin to resolve it. Many leaders think that they need to resolve their challenges or problems by themselves. However, I'd strongly encourage you to not resolve your challenges by yourself if you are surrounded by a good team of people. Challenges or problems create great opportunities for growth, both in yourself and in your team members. So never miss an opportunity to get your people involved. One of the best ways to get them involved is by presenting them with the details of the challenge and start asking them questions about how to resolve it. Treat this like a brainstorming session and don't stifle any ideas or suggestions at this point. Write everything down. If you have a whiteboard or a chalkboard or a flipboard, whatever, write the ideas down and discuss each idea with your team. You may find combining ideas may give you the best solution. Now, once you've come up with a probable solution, implement it and check your results. Again, as much as you can, involve your team members. The more that you can involve them, the better. Now, this type of problem solving is not always feasible, as time may be a factor. However, as a minimum, always try to take advantage of the challenges to grow your team members, even if it means having some kind of after-action discussion by walking them through how you came up with a solution. The bottom line is not to fear problems. Rename them challenges and run towards them with as many team members as you can. Hey, that's it for today. As always, thank you for listening. Have a great rest of your day, and until tomorrow, run to your challenges.